Y'all record? What up, y'all? Las Vegas, we going live. It's Metro Miguel with the Stylo 5. Yes, sir, man. And we going back to school with it. So, see, I got the backpack drip. Shout out to everybody going back to school, man. Today, we bringing you the official unboxing and review. You heard what I said. Can I get it? Is it okay if I get it out of my backpack? Sure. I'm going to take it out of my backpack because we going back to school with it, y'all. You did? Yes, sir, man. Today. And I appreciate all my subscribers and everybody, all the comments y'all left on the Samsung Galaxy A20. So I'm bringing y'all this new heat, this fire, the LG Stylo 5. Yes, sir, the LG Stylo 5. Super excited. If y'all checked me out earlier, man, some of my previous reviews, I did the review on the Stylo 4, man. It's a great phone. Stylo 5 got some really cool improvements, y'all. Check it, just some of the quick specifications. It is 6.2-inch full high definition screen, 32 gigs, 1.8 gigahertz octa-core processor, the whole bells and whistles. We're gonna tap into it. We're gonna unbox the phone. I appreciate y'all rocking with me. Leave your comments below. Let me know what y'all think about the device. And at the very end of the video, I'm gonna give y'all the full sale manufacturer's retail price and the different promotional prices depending on what you qualify for. So, the camera. It says that you will never miss out on a special moment with the 13 megapixel rear camera with fast autofocus and full HD video. It says it'll fit all your friends and family in the picture with the wide angle. It's got a wide angle 5 megapixel camera, okay? You'll be able to capture beautiful portraits that pop out from the background with portrait mode and use gesture shot, selfie shot, auto shot as quickly and take well-lit selfies without reaching for the screen. So we super excited about the phone, man. Everybody was asking about it. They're like, yo, Metro Miguel, when you gonna drop that Stylo 5? I brought it to you. It's Friday, we lit, Las Vegas, let's go, man. So we gonna get right to it. Let's unbox this phone, man. I'm excited about it, y'all. It's really cool. So let's check this out here. We got the Stylo 5, here we go. Check us out here. Looks like oh wow, they hit us with the white finish. So shout out to LG. Also, you know what? I want to give a big shout out to the regional sales manager, Mr. Travis Benson. He personally sent me this phone from LG. Life's good. Yes, so I can do the full unboxing and review of the LG Stylo 5. Like I said, y'all, this phone is gonna be a big hit for back to school. Y'all know it has the Stylus Pen, keyword stylo, okay? We're gonna come back to the phone. We're gonna power it on in a second, let y'all check it out. Inside the phone here, let's see what we got. We have the SIM card. Actually, we're gonna use the SIM card to establish the network connection. Brought to you by Metro by T-Mobile. Yes, sir. We also have the welcome start guide. So it's gonna have, you know, various different features and settings so you can learn about some of the different things the Stylo 5 can do. Let's move this here over to the side. We also have our standard USB Type-C charger. Yes, Type-C, super duper fast. If anybody has a Type-C charger, y'all know it's really good. We also have the LG wall adapter. And look, if y'all look closely, it says fast charge. So make sure that you use the charging cable and the plug that comes with the device. It's specifically designed to charge the Stylo 5 very fast. So now that we got all the contents out the phone, I'm gonna tell you a little bit more about it, okay? Some of the tech specs that we're talking about on the phone. Like I say, processor-wise. Processor, this phone is packing 1.8 gigahertz octa-core processor. Super duper fast, guys. So you'll be able to do a lot of multitasking, a lot of your videos, movies, applications, no problems, no glitch, no hiccups. Good stuff, LG. Camera-wise, like I said, the rear camera is 13 megapixels, front camera is 5 megapixels. Battery life is going to have 3,500 milliamps per hour, also up to 15 hours and 20 minutes of talk time, and up to 504 hours of standby time. 504 hours of standby time. That's like a week. Come on, y'all. The LG, they came with it, y'all. One of the biggest differences that I noticed from the LG Stylo 4 and the Stylo 5 is going to be the RAM. The RAM on the Stylo 4 only has 2 gigs of RAM. The Stylo 5 packs 3 gigabytes of RAM. So you can, and it is also expandable up to 2 terabytes. 2 terabytes, 2,000 gigs is expandable up to. Super cool stuff, guys. 6.2-inch full high definition display from top to bottom. It has an 18:9 aspect ratio. Security measures, we know we got the face recognition or the face ID recognition technology. It also has the fingerprint scanner and the pen, pattern, or password. So about 5 different measures that you can use to unlock the device. And of course, it has the ultra responsive Stylus Pen. You can keep it going, it's all good. Shout out to Jay, she just came in the building. It's going down real major. Like I said, y'all, I'm bringing y'all this full unboxing and review. It's going down, leave your comments below. Like I said, at the end of the video, I'm gonna give y'all the full retail price. I'm gonna also give you the promotional price when you switch. And I'm gonna give you the price when you are an existing loyal customer with Metro by T-Mobile. So let's turn the phone on, y'all. I gave y'all the specs, the little rundown. I know y'all like, come on, Miguel, you doing all this talking. Show me the phone, please show me the phone. Okay, so we're gonna open it up. Can I open it up, y'all? Is that okay with y'all? We're gonna open it up. It's all pretty, look at the little pretty little plastic on it. So we got here Stylo 5. I just turned the device on. Take it easy, y'all. I'm gonna tell y'all the price, hold on. Sheesh, y'all rushing me. It's going down, y'all. So we got it on here. Metro by T-Mobile, super lit phone, man. I appreciate you guys. Like I said, man, this phone is a very popular phone right now, and so is the Samsung Galaxy A20. They're both actually going to be free when you switch, but full retail price is $239, okay? I'm gonna give y'all some of the other different prices on it. Don't freak out. I know $239 is a bit pricey, but for all the features that this phone is packing, 3 gigabytes of RAM, 32 gigabytes of memory, 13 megapixel camera, 5 megapixel front-facing wide camera. Come on, man. What more can you ask for, y'all? It's going down. So we're going to turn it on here, man. Let's see what we got. Turn the phone on. You know, I had to put my pen on it. You know, I told you we got the pen, pattern, password. We got face ID recognition and fingerprint sensor. 5 different security measures. So we're going to open this up here. And we're going to hop right in. Let's see what we got. Boom. We're going to light it up. Check this out, y'all. This is pretty. Oh, it say battery powering off. There you go. I got to charge it, y'all. It turned back off. But I want y'all to come into the store. Check it out, y'all. You can check out, I'm going to also upload another video where we can kind of go through some of the features on the device. So leave your comments below. Let me know what you guys think about the new LG Stylo 5. We're going to go into some of the specs. We're going to also go through some of the emojis, the messaging, calculators. It's a pretty standard layout. For most guys that own the Stylo 4, the operating systems are going to be very similar on the Stylo 5. So come on in, swing by today. And now the pricing, okay? So we're going to walk over here to the pricing, okay? Let's walk. Follow me, y'all. Follow me over here, y'all. So the pricing on the LG Stylo 5. Now, I told you guys the full manufacturer sale retail price is $239. But, hold up, but when you switch, guess what? We're gonna take that $239 and throw it out the window. $0 when you switch, okay? Also, for a new line, the newbie, the new activation, when you come in today, we're gonna give you 2 discounts. We're gonna take $100 off the $239 and $60 off the $239. So guess how much you paying? Guess how much you paying? $79. Yeah, man. Whoa. $79, man. You know what I'm saying? And also for the upgrade, for the loyalists, guys, we're going to give you $60 off the $239. So if you are an existing customer with us, you'll only pay $179. And that's how we getting down the LG Stylo 5. Shout out to Travis Benson for sending it to me, the regional sales manager over at LG. It's all love. It's your boy, Metro Miguel. We out of here.